Hello student, I am Varun Nishad from LPM Public School. In this video, we have revised some topic about the chapter 4. First, before that, we will now try to understand the volume by volume percentage. Suppose 20 gram, 20% sugar solution, 20% sugar solution. So what it means? It means that we know that solution is equal to solute plus solvent. So here is 20 gram. Suppose that 20 gram solute or 20 gram sugar is added. Suppose, and 100 gram solution will be in 100 gram solution. So what will be the solvent? Then solvent will equal to 100 minus 20, and again it will be equal to 80 gram. So solvent will be equal to 80 gram and solution will be 100 gram. Solute will be 20 gram. So similarly, takes another questions. That is 25 ml alcohol dissolve in 200 ml water. Calculate volume by volume percentage. Volume by volume percentage. Then it will be equal to volume by volume percentage is equal to volume of solute and divide by volume of solution into 100. Let's put the value of volume of solute, that is solute is 25 ml. So 25 is divided by volume of solution. 200 ml water. Then it will equal to 200 plus 25 is 200. Then 25 is divided by 225 into 100. Then 2500 it will be equal to 25 1 1 5 and 4 2 1. It will be equal to again so answer will be so volume by volume percentage is equal to 11.1% or 7. So 25 ml alcohol dissolved in 200 ml water and calculate volume by volume percentage. So in this way we can calculate the 11.1 percentage. 11.1 percentage. Volume by volume percentage. Next, take another Next, 50 gram glucose is mixed in 400 ml solution. Calculate mass by mass percentage. So formula is that mass by mass percentage is equal to mass of solute is divided by mass of solution and into 100. So value mass of solute that is 50 gram and mass of solution that is 400 into 100. Then again 4 divide 50 4 1 जा 4 4 2 जा 0.420 then 3. So mass by mass percentage is equal to that it will be equal to mass by mass percentage is equal to 12.5. So in this way we can find the mass by mass percentage. Next, calculate the concentration of solution. Solution in the reference of mass by mass percentage, and given data is $45 gram sugar dissolved in 300 gram water. Calculate the concentration of solution in the reference of mass by mass percentage. The given solute is 45 gram and given solvent in 300 gram. Then what will be the formula? Formula is mass by mass percentage will equal to mass of solute is divided by mass of solution into 100 again. Then we will put the value of 45 is divided by 45 plus 300 gram into 100 again. Make 45 345 to 100 again 45 100 divided by 345. Then what will be percentage? Let's divide 345 divide 4 1 then 5 0 1 3 5 50 3 4 12, 1 40, 3 3 9, 1 10. Cancel, cancel, 10, 5, 1. Four fives are 20, 4 fours are 16 to 18, 4 threes are 12, 12, 1, 40. Cancel, 8, 2, 1. So answer will be mass by mass percentage. Mass by mass percentage will equal to important answer, that is 40.14. This way you can calculate the mass by mass percentage, volume by volume percentage of the given the concentration, the amount of solute present in the solvent of a particular solution. Another topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.